The Chevy Astro vans and the Safari vans had problems with the dipstick tube. Sometimes the dipstick would go down and not go in the tube. It would not go all the way to the bottom. It was because Chevy made a two-piece tube, and if it's not mounted right, it'll slide out. That's what was wrong with mine. Right here, there's a bolt right there that holds the transmission tube in. That has to be tightened down, or that two-piece dipstick will come apart. Also right here, the transmission and the dipstick tube for the housing for the oil, they go together right there. They mount together. That has to be mounted together too. I can't believe all the problems Chevy's had with these Astro vans. That's a transmission tube mount right there. It's 10mm. I'll show you inside the van where they come apart. That tube is right there. They just come apart on their own. Why has it got a blur? It's right there anyways. And the tube will pull apart because it's I don't know why they made it so it could pull apart. But I got mine pushed all the way back in. I kind of want to hose clamp it and see what happens. Tighten it real tight with a hose clamp. But that one there has to be on there for sure. Mine didn't have that when I got the van. And I was in the junkyard, I found the right bolt that bolts in there. That holds the transmission tube in. Up here, these just, these hold back together the transmission tube and the oil tube. They hold those together right there. That main one's the one that holds it all together. Filming in a Sony 4K. There's that bolt. HDR AX33 camcorder. Sony calls it a handy cam. All these Astro vans had so many problems. And I don't know why I bought another one. The Astro vans and the Safaris. This is my 5th Astro van. The last one was a real nice Mark III conversion. The mechanic raced the motor and got it a rod knock. And they wouldn't do nothing for me. I had the Pinellas Park Police Dare van. It was an Astro van. 1999 maybe. With only 72,000 original miles. I don't know why. When I had the neighbor tow that home, when I won it at the auction, it was only 630 bucks. I don't know why I didn't just take it to the rip-off mechanic and have them fix whatever it was. It would start if you sprayed starting fluid, but it wouldn't stay running. It ended up being the spider. It's something with the fuel injection. It's called a spider or something. The guy got it running who bought it. That van would still be running today with only 72,000 miles. So that's how you fix the problem with the two-piece. The two-piece housing on the oil. It's crazy. There's no videos at all on YouTube about this. Because I searched hard. I got that piece right there from the junkyard, the bolt that goes through there. When I first got the van, I seen it was loose. It should be real good. It should never come apart again.